Hey, beautiful people. I just wanted to shoot this video real quick. There's a lot of uncertainty in our world, a lot of uncertainty with politics. And I don't know if you realize, but I think a lot of things is happening because they really want us to get our eye off the ball. We need to continue to stay focused on the things that we need to do so that we can create a better life for our family. And I also believe that we got to create our own economies. We got to create our own jobs. We have to be the change that we are looking for. So I don't know if you've been paying attention, but there's a shift that is happening. You know, God is closing the door on things that's not good for us, and He's opened the door and waiting for us to walk through and live our life's purpose. Now, if you've been paying attention to your Facebook timeline, you're noticing that people are starting brick and mortar businesses, home-based businesses, network marketing businesses, and I'm so excited about that because what that means is that if we support one another, we're going to be able to bring down our unemployment rates. We can do that. And what I do want to say is I believe that the reason why more people are not having businesses and not looking to create multiple streams of income is because as children, we were raised to believe that we needed to go to school, get a good education, and get a job. I was one of those people. You know, my parents wasn't business people. You know, they work hard, those 9 to 5s, and I did exactly that. I climbed the career path. I was very successful as an accountant, had the houses, the cars, everything that comes with it. And what I'm saying is, I'm not saying that having a job is bad. Get that money. Get whatever that career offers you. Move up the career path. Network. That's what you want to do. But at the same time, you still want to build an additional stream of income outside of that job. Because in the word of one of my mentors, Madeline Alexander, she said that the reason why you want to have multiple streams of income and not solely rely on a job is because guess what? That job, you don't own it, you don't control it, and you can lose it at any time. And if you just think about it, our purpose for our families is to build generational wealth. You can't will your job to your kids. What are you leaving them? The entire reason why I am focused the way I'm focused and I'm driven the way I'm driven and having multiple streams of income. I mean, I am the owner of Virtual CEO, where I train and coach people how to brand themselves and internet marketing. But I'm also the owner of NJ Cosmetics. I also provide makeover services. I'm also a partner with Glamour and Gifts Boutique. I am the multiple streams queen. But I do that for my son because I want to give my son options when he grow up. I don't want my son to have to depend on going to college, getting in debt, and getting a job. I want my son to go to college because I want him to get that business and marketing experience and education, but I want him to be able to use that and start his own business. Or me having successful million-dollar businesses in place that he can just step in and lead for me. That's what it's about. Everything that I'm doing is about building generational wealth, and that's what you need to be focused on too. So it's okay to have your job. It's okay to live comfortable. But don't get so comfortable because I don't want you to be like me. You guys, I was making $80,000 in my accounting career. I had a house that built from the ground up and I was 27 years old. But here's the reality. The economy can change your reality. And when the market downsized, I lost everything. And that's because I had all my eggs in one basket instead of building multiple streams of income. Yeah, I was in home-based businesses and I was making some extra income, but I wasn't taking it seriously because I knew I had something to fall back on. See, we are in uncertain times. We don't know what's going to happen. I do know that if Donald Trump wins, our economy is going to crash and people are going to be losing 401ks and jobs all over the place. So you want to get in line. And you want to get serious about your future. You want to get serious about the future that you want to create for your family. I do believe that there are some people with some amazing dreams out there. And you have big business ideas. But for some reason, you can't turn it into a reality. You know, maybe you have a fear of success. Maybe you have a fear of failure. Maybe you don't... You're surrounded by people who have no vision, no drive. They don't want nothing. They want to keep you where you at because they want you struggling just like them. And maybe you're not around enough people who are go-getters, who's hustlers. And I'm not talking about the type of hustler where you manipulating and taking advantage of people. I'm talking about a hustler where you are doing the right things and you are aligning your spirit with God, and you are putting God first in your business, and your whole purpose is to sow into people and give to people. And you're going to be blessed for doing that. And you're going to take that wealth that you create and you're going to build a new lifestyle for your family, but you're going to be able to take some of that money and bless other people. That's what it's all about. So I am actually partnering with Her International and Grand New Me. And what we're going to do is we want to do like a breakout session. We want you to break free from the mental bondage of all the things that is keeping you down and preventing you from living the life that you want to live. We want you to get out of paycheck prison because we want you to build multiple streams of income. And I've had a business for almost 8 years now. I've been in network marketing for 15 years. I've been an internet marketer for 15 years. And I know a lot. And I believe that my calling is to sow into people and to show you how you can turn your dreams into reality. And I have a lot of connections. You know, maybe you haven't been able to start a business because you don't have the seed money to get started. I can show you different vehicles that is available to you so that you can raise that money so that you can start your dream business. But I believe before I can even give you the tools, the most important thing that I can do for you is help you get your mind right. Because whatever you think about, you bring about. But if you don't have no faith and you're not spiritually aligned, whatever business that you start to build is going to crumble. You'll get some success, you'll get some power, but it won't last. So we're going to teach you how to get over some of the crutches that you have right now that is preventing you from living your best life ever. So we have created this session and we want you to come to it. It's October 23rd at 4 o'clock. And I'll be giving more details about that. We're going to be shooting more videos about the things that we're going to be discussing, from, just dealing with life challenges to talking about your vision, talking about how to create vision boards, how to goal set. How to create daily activities so that you can hit your goals. How to have positive affirmations, how to feed your mind so that you can block out all the things that is going to come at you that's going to prevent you from being successful. Money management, time management, those are things that is the foundation that you need to set for any business. And what we want to do is not only do we want to get you in the right way of money, but we want you to get that money the right way. So I encourage you to come out and support us, learn more about what we're doing. I'm pretty sure that when you leave, we will have enlightened you to a whole new way of life. So if you have any questions or you have any concerns, you want to know more about what's going on, make sure that you hit my inbox. And I'm just so excited. I'm excited. So look for the flyers that's going to be posted. Again, the date, the time, and the location. Be there. If you got big girl dreams, or if you are a man on a mission and you want to create a solid foundation for your family and you want to build a business and you want to get money and you want to be around like-minded people, you don't want to miss this. So that's just my thoughts for today. Again, I hope I can bless somebody, and I will talk to you soon. Have an amazing day. Bye.